everyone, it's Crypto Chelsea, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use FIO Send on the Opera Crypto Browser. So the first step is to download the browser. You'll go to opera.com, hover over browsers, and click Opera Crypto Browser. Now this browser is available on both desktop computers and mobile applications. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to be showing you it on a desktop computer. Now this Opera Crypto Browser, you can experience Web 3. So go ahead and get the browser downloaded. So after you download the browser, I suggest you go through these 5 quick steps to get set up. But for the purpose of this demo, I really want to show you the crypto wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and click Get Started. And then for Opera Wallet, I'm going to click Open Wallet. You can see here that there's many different tokens and cryptocurrencies that are supported within the Opera browser. So for the purpose of this, I don't currently have an Opera wallet. So I'm going to click Create New Wallet. Now I have to create a password and then hit create. Now I'm gonna secure my backup phrase, so I'm gonna go ahead and know that I have to write these 12 words down and do not share those with anyone. So I'm gonna click that I understand and I'm gonna go to the next button. Now that I wrote down my 12-word backup phrase, I'm gonna go ahead and hit done. So here you can see the main dashboard of the Opera wallet. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put some crypto funds in it. I'm ready to demo FIO Send, and so the great news is that Opera users have the ability to send out and withdraw cryptocurrency using something called a FIO Crypto Handle. So a FIO Crypto Handle is a human-readable and easy-to-remember name that you can utilize rather than using that long public wallet address, which is made up of letters and numbers, and you have the risk of sending cryptocurrency to the wrong place if you copy and paste it wrong. So all that's eliminated by using a FIO Crypto Handle. If you currently don't have a FIO Crypto Handle, you can get one at dashboard.fioprotocol.io. So I'm ready to show you the demo. I'm super excited because it's so easy to use. So I'm gonna click on Send here, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hover over this and show you that these are the domain names that are supported by the following services. And you can see here, FIO Crypto Handles is listed as one of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in my FIO Crypto Handle, which is Chelsea at HODL. And once I do that, you can see that my FIO Crypto Handle is recognized, and I'll also see the FIO logo here, which is awesome. And I'm gonna go ahead and select the amount of Bitcoin that I wanna send out to this FIO Crypto Handle. So I'm gonna put in 50%, and then I'm gonna click on Next. Once I do that, I can confirm the recipient and the transaction fee, and I can go ahead and click on Send. Now I will have to go ahead and enter my password for the Opera browser and click Unlock. My transaction is being processed and my Bitcoin is going where it's supposed to go, all within a few simple steps of using my FIO Crypto Handle. So I'm hoping that you see the benefits of how simple and easy it is to use FIO Send in the Opera browser. Thanks for watching.